Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today, we are going to discuss on India's largest paint company. Yes, as you can see, it's Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company headquartered in Mumbai. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling, and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decor, bath fittings, and providing of related services. This is about Asian Paints, and today we are discussing Asian Paints because of its fundamental strength and the position it is showing in the technical chart. So first, go through their this is their annual report, and let's go through their annual report first to understand its fundamental strength. So as you can see, this is the financial. If you are unable to see, I'm making it a large size. Yes, so its revenue from operations in 2020-21, it's 18,516.9 crores. Revenue is up by 7.7%, and then EBITDA is 15.3% up to 4,859.5 crores. Profit before tax is 4,090.44 crores, and earning per share is 31.8 rupees, 15% up. So there are various other installed decorative paint capacities. This you can see here. It's 17 lakh 30,000 KL per annum, and new products per variant developed is 48, patents granted is 14. So this is you can see here. Then let's go to this part. Here you can see that it's our stature is number one paint company in India, third largest paint company in Asia, ninth largest paint globally company globally, and then 75 plus year of innovation in the paint industry, and our scale 60 plus market served, 26 manufacturing facilities worldwide, and see here you can see the consolidated turnover is 21,712 crores. Sorry. Dealers network in India is 70,000 plus. EP Beautiful Home stores in India 18. Color Ideas stored in India, stores in India 450 plus. Global workforce is 10,000 plus, and 200 plus scientists driving innovation. So it's a more than 75 years old company, and it's performing equally well and growing year to year. So here you can see the I'm making it large here. Here you can see the offerings, products, paints, chemicals, wall coverings, texture, painting aid, waterproofing solution, wall sticker, mechanized tools, kitchens and wardrobes, adhesives, modular kitchen, sanitary wares, bath fittings, furnishing services, home painting service, design service, color consultancy, sanitization service, projects, and lots. Then next come to this place, as I was this one. Yes, so near your home worldwide, as you can see, it's distributed throughout the world, especially presence in the Asia, Africa, and Middle East. So here you can see 26% in Middle East, 24% in Africa, South Pacific zone 5%, and 45% in Asia. So these are the brands: Asian Paints, and then Causeway Paints, Asian Paints Barger, Cadisco Asian Paints, Ski Paints, Tobmans, Apco. Then next come to this, yes. So these are the paints that you can normally see: interior paints, exterior paints, metal finishes. I'm not reading all the names here, as everyone knows about their bre- um, about the varieties it has, or if you don't know, you can go through their annual report or their websites. And then wood finish range, waterproofing, etc. Here you can see kitchen tools and the so there are various. Then next come to the this one, yes. So here it reflects the numbers that reflects a steady growth. So the revenue from operations year to year it has increased 9.4%, 5 year CAGR. Then 5 year CAGR is 12.3%. EBITDA margin has also increased. Net fixed assets has also increased at 8.9%. In a 5 year CAGR, asset turnover ratio has increased. Market capitalization has improved. The cash operation generation is 10.3%, 5 year CAGR. This is 13.5% percent 5 year CAGR is profit after tax. Earning per share is 13.5% 5 year CAGR. This one you can see. The next one I wanted to show you is this one. Yes. So here, yeah, just I was going through. So they have in 2020-21 they have given new products, variants 48, new products developed, patents filed 20 in 2020-21. 21-22 is not yet published yet. 82.6 crores in spent on the research and development R&D, 45 crores invested in information technology, 200 plus scientists in research and technology. So this shows its fundamental strength and how it's more than a 75 years old company and performing equally well, and moreover it has improved itself. Okay, now next come to their this is the monthly chart. So I'm holding this stock from around I think 2010 or 11, and from then I've I've sometimes I've done partial profit booking, but not I've not sold completely all of my stocks in Asian Paints, and time to time I've also accumulated in this company. So if you see in 2010, I don't remember at what price exactly I bought it, but here, as you can see, it was around 186 200. So if you see here from 200 till now, it went to a highest of around 3,500, more than I think 11, 12 times, 13 times. So in 10, 11 years, 13 times. So it went 13 times. So in this kind of stocks you will not get a 15-20% high development in a day, or maybe 50% jump in a month. But uh, this kind of blue chip companies, this is a large cap company and a blue chip company in the paint sector, number one company in the paint sector. In this stock you will see a steady growth year after year. For to get the real benefit of this company, you have to hold this stock for a longer period. And so this is what happened. I'm holding this stock for from 2010-11, and from there 200 rupees it went to a high of 35,000, sorry, 3500. So that means almost 13 times. So I'm getting 100% profit in a year, more than 100% profit in a year over CAGR, as you in a longer time period. So now then next come to here. Um, so as you can see here, the company, the strengths here it is showing as company with low debts. Yes, the weakness decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin. Yeah, that is a temporary issue. Broker upgrade recommendation of target price in the past three, and then a recent broker downgrades and recommendation. I don't know who downgraded it. Now next come to their, so this is the chart pattern it is showing. I will discuss the chart pattern later. Let's come to the, yes. So this one, price performance 1 week, it has uh, uh, it has down it is in downtrend and it's showing negative minus 0.21 in 1 month, 0.92 in 3 months. It has decreased by 5.15%, and that is what the reason why I am planning to accumulate this stock again now. Sher Khan has recommended it to the target of 3,550. I will hold it for furthermore. That I will discuss later. Now, next come to here. Yes, bulk deal. These are the insider tradings. So here they have not given who are holding these stocks. Okay, it's fine. uh, Now here, this is the annual chart. Here you can see, from year to year, total revenue has improved year to year. From 2021 it was 17,160, and then 2019 it is 19,513. Then 2020 it is 20,566, and now in 2021 it's 22,044 total revenue. So it has, so this shows it has improved year to year. EBITDA has also increased from 3,540 to 5,187. So this is how it is showing. See the earning per share from 21.26, 22.48, then 28.20, and then 32.73. So this, the financial is also showing strength. Now next come to their technical chart. So this is the technical chart I have prepared. um, so this is the technical chart. So if you see here, in this period, in 2021 January, it went to a highest of around 2844, 14,849, 50 around, and then it again went to the downfall of around 2020 2292. So if you see the here, the risk reward, so the risk reward ratio here I was just calculating. So from this point, it went from 2200, 2800, 50, 60 something, it went to a lowest of 2300, and then it again took a turn. And from here, when it broke the resistance, and it went to a high of around 3500. So for this kind of stocks, the right moment of buying is to accumulate it at its lower points. So here it was down. If you had accumulated 2,200, and so you could have made, within 6 months, 7 months, 6 7 months, it would have been 50% profit. So this is the real benefit of these companies. I've accumulated, as I said, I'm accumulating the stock from around 2010. I Today also I'm accumulating few more stocks, because here you can see. Mm. So this was the support line. From here, it took a support, and then it again took a jump. Now it went to a high, but I just bought it at this level when it was a bit down. Here, I think I bought it around 3,140. This was the level when I bought this stock, 3,140 today, and so from here it took a support and it started moving up. So the next is, so here, if at this level, 3,200, 3,300, if it breaks, then it will, then my next target is in recent, I'm not saying in a longer time, maybe in a 1 week 2 week time period, my next target will be 3,300. If it breaks this resistance, then next target will be 3,500. And if it breaks 3,500, my next target will be 4,000. Now let's see that, how much down it can go from here. So as you can see, these are the lines I have drawn. So if this breaks this support, next support will get it as around 2867. At this range 65, this will be the next support. So we don't know whether it will go down to this level or take a u-turn from this here. It will go upward. It depends on the nifty also. We don't know what the big sharks or the operators will be doing. The mutual fund houses, the FIIs, or the big sharks will be doing. So we don't know. We have to depend on our own analysis and follow the chart. So I'm buying today. Now my next target will be, I will hold it for a longer period, maybe. Depending on the situations, I may do some profit booking at 4,000 levels. Now if you are a short, if you are doing trading for a week, two, or couple of weeks or a month, then you can target for 3,500 level, or this would be the level. And let's see, so this will be the next support. So this is the support, and if it breaks, then it may go till here. But there are very less chances. If you see the pattern, never it has, based on its pattern, there are very less chances that it will go beyond 2640. And if it goes to this level, then I will buy, accumulate the stock again at this level. So currently today I am buying this stock. You do your own analysis, and if you want, you can buy it today itself, or may wait for this period when it buys this resistance also. If it breaks 3500, then there will be a fast movement in this stock, and it may touch 4000 in very short span of time. Thank you.